Okay, new part after we've done pistol shoot, bang. From here, you wanna go touch my hair. Yeah, and this is the left arm saying touch my hair. Now we wanna bring it down. Yeah, so close fist here. And then my right goes up. And then now I wanna do knuckles. And notice that I'm turning this hand like that. So the back of my hand is on my left here, and the other one is opposite. So let's just try that. The melody goes do 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 down. Yeah. So again, do 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 down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 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 down and meet. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 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 down up meet. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 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 do. So after do 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 here, now I want to say the index on my left. So whoop. Yeah. Now the index on my right. Whoop. Yes. Now the thumb on my left. Whoop. And thumb on my right. So let's just go back. We were here, knuckles. Now we're saying index left, right index, left thumb, right thumb. Again. So it's left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. From here, simple, we're just gonna go out, and then at the same time we're turning it so that they go opposite, yeah? So now my left thumb is pointing downwards, my right thumb is pointing upwards, yeah? Before they were here, now I'm saying switch. So back to knuckles, we're saying index, index, thumb, thumb, turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Index, index, thumb, thumb, turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Index, index, thumb, thumb, turn around. Alright, so let's take it back from the tip top. And when I say tip top, I mean from this part, yeah? So quick recap, we're going touch my hair, down, right, knuckles, index left, index right, thumb left, thumb right, turn it around. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Okay, so we just did ta 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 and ta. From here, your left hand is gonna go roll up, yeah, like that. So I was down here. Now I'm saying my index finger on my left is touching the thumb on my right, yeah, like that. Now they're forming a square. So I went here, roll up. Now I'm saying slide. Let's go back. From here, left thumb is pointing downwards. Now I'm saying roll up, slide in. From here, I want to roll my right hand up like that. Yeah, so I was here. Now I'm saying roll up. And then I want to say push it down. And in the video, they sort of push both hands down at the same time when doing this. So, but you have to notice that there's a gap here, and then I'm closing the gap, and at the same time I'm also lowering my hands. So let's see, we were here. Now I'm saying roll up my left hand, whoop, slide, ha, roll right, up, and down. So let's just try that. Slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8. left, up, slide, in, right, up, and down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, up, slide, in, right, up, go, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, up, slide, in, right, up, and down. Alright, so let's take it from the tip to the top. So let's do a quick recap. We're going whoop, and down, right, knuckles, left, right, and switch, left, roll up, and slide in, right, roll up, and down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Okay, so we just whoop, tap, and down. From here, my hands are gonna say whoop, yeah. So I'm doing fists here, closed fists, and then I'm turning like that. So I'm just gonna show you one hand at a time. So I'm saying my right is saying whoop, yeah. So I went from here, turning like that. Again from here, whoop. The other hand, my left, is saying whoop. Very simple. From here to here. Now I'm saying whoop. Back, whoop. So over here, I'm saying close, turn. Okay, so now from here, I want to use my left hand to activate the fingers on my right hand, yeah? So I'm saying thumb, index, middle, and so on, yeah? And then I want to turn to the other side and I'm doing pistol on pistol. So I'm basically doing 2 pistols. The one is resting on the other. So my right is resting on my left. So again from here, da 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 da, and then I'm saying bang. Again, da 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 da, bang. So let's practice from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll around, tap, 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 and bang. Alright, let's take it from the tip to the top. So quick recap, we're going whoop, left, right, knuckles, index, index, thumb, thumb, switch around, left roll up, and slide in, right roll up, and down. From here, roll around, tick, 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 and a pistol bang. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 bang. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 bang. Alright, let's try to combine the first part and the second part. So the whole thing in one go. Quick recap, we're starting here. Look, left, right, index, middle, split, align, front, in front, square, release, line, hinge, left, turn, to the right, left hand, to my left, flat hand, bang. Yeah, hit. Now I want to say left, right, knuckles, index finger, thumb, thumb, switch around, left hand roll up, slide in, right hand roll up, down, roll, tick, 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 pistol. Okay, let's try it again with the melody. So we're going. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. That bang. Do, 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 do. That bang. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 that bang. That bang. 5, 6, 7, 8. That bang. Bang. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the PUBG finger dance challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.